Okay, so today we're going to be going over the easiest way to remember the polyatomic ions. Now, you should have a basic understanding of what these are before going into this video, because it probably will make no sense. But just as a reminder, a polyatomic ion is usually a compound that has a charge. So, if we want to remember these, there is a simple mnemonic device that we can use to remember them, and that is
specifics on a simple list. Polyatomic astronomical importance. Simple as can be, they're agreed. You will see these compounds are a cinch. Ammonium, bromate, hydroxide, hydrochloride, cyanide, nitrate, carbonate, chromate, acetate, iodide, perchlorate. Polyatomic ion. The physical state contains two atoms and the charge and the number to the right. Chloride, nitrite, dichromate, chromate, phosphate, sulfate, and sulfate. Ammonium, bromate, hydroxide, hydrochloride, cyanide, nitrate, carbonate, chromate, acetate, iodide, perchlorate. I'm going to teach you. Simple math, let's see those formulas. NH4 plus OH minus CN minus 2CH3O2 minus BrO3 minus IO3 minus Cl4 minus Cl3 minus